We've got some breaking news just in from the Supreme Court. Within about the last 30 minutes, the justices have thrown out a lawsuit related to former President Donald Trump and his tweets. NBC's Pete Williams is here now. Pete, what more can you tell us?
Well, I am probably talking right now to you, someone whose life was very much influenced by Donald Trump's tweets when you were the White House correspondent. You may recall that the president, after getting some critical comments on @RealDonaldTrump, his Twitter site, blocked certain people who were responding to his tweets critically. They sued and said, you can't do that because your Twitter page, your Twitter account is in essence a public forum. And now the Justice Department returned fire, basically saying, no, he's doing the same thing that anybody can do who has a Twitter account. But the courts ruled against that and said that because the president often made official statements, there was input from White House staffers, it was, in essence, a kind of public forum, and he couldn't block anyone from it. So the government appealed, but now that he's no longer president, the Justice Department said we ought to dismiss this case as moot, and that's exactly what the court has done. Now, there's an interesting concurrence in this from Justice Clarence Thomas. He said, yep, I agree, this is a dead letter, there's nothing to fight over anymore. But he did say, I think we're still trying to apply old principles to new technologies. And he says it does seem odd to think that a public forum is something that's operated by a private entity that can shut it down. And you may recall that after the insurrection on January 6th, Twitter did suspend his account. So these are questions that'll have to be left for another day. But the fight over the President Trump's Twitter account, anyway, is now gone.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. You should know that you can follow today's top stories and breaking news and catch up on your favorite MSNBC shows all in one place. Download the NBC News app today.